Did you know 47% of B2B founders juggle 7 or more tools, wasting 10 hours a week? That's time you could spend closing deals. I audited 37 B2B tech stacks, and what I found shocked me. Stick around to learn what's happening and what's breaking your growth and how to fix it fast. Hey, I'm Tony Konig from Konig Digital and the Scaling Founder YouTube channel. I've spent years helping B2B founders like you scale from 3 to 10 million without the tech headaches. Today, I'm sharing the dirty truth about why your tech stack is slowing you down. Let's dive into the 3 biggest problems I found in my audits and how you can avoid them. The first one, this is massive, too many tools, too much shiny object syndrome. And this is a massive problem because my audit showed that the average B2B founder uses 7 tools. Think HubSpot, Salesforce, Clay, Apollo. That sounds powerful, right? Wrong. Each tool eats hours in setup, training, and switching. That's 10 hours a week you're not spending on sales. Here's the kicker. 60% of these tools overlap in features. You're paying for chaos, not growth. The second is integration hell. Tools promise seamless connection, but my audits found 80% of integrations fail or require constant fixes. One founder spent $15,000 a year just on Zapier and custom APIs. And when tools don't talk, your leads fall through the cracks. That's not scaling, it's sinking. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 7-mil SaaS founder. She had 8 tools: HubSpot, Clay, LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, you name it. Her team spent more time syncing data than selling. Sales cycles dragged on for 9 months. She was frustrated, ready to give up. Then she simplified the stack with us at Konig Digital. In 60 days, her pipeline doubled, and her team reclaimed 15 hours a week. That's the power of a unified system. So, how do you fix this? Stop juggling tools and simplify. At Konig Digital, we offer smart lead intelligence with 89% prediction accuracy and a white label CRM that's branded to you, no tech setup needed. It's a plug and play for $3 to $10 million founders like you. Our Done With You partnership means you learn to scale without dependency. You want proof? Get the 20 free smart leads to see the difference. Here's your next step. Download our free GTM stack order checklist and see where your tech stack's leaking money. Click the link in the description and grab it now. And if you're ready to simplify your growth, book a call with me to get your 20 free smart leads. Don't wait, your competitors aren't. Stop juggling tools and start scaling. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on crushing your B2B growth. And I'll see you in the next video. Let's simplify your success and keep on scaling.